Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are back opening up baseball cards. Here we have Topps Heritage 2022. This is the second of three unboxing videos that I will be doing. The first one has already been posted, and for that one I would like to apologize for that. That was a very bad unboxing due to the fact that you guys couldn't see the cards, and I did not realize that the cards could not be seen until after I opened them all, and by then I was like, I just have to post it, unfortunately. So, again, I apologize. Now I have a light here. It just got darker and it just got brighter. Yes, I have a light. And yeah, let's just jump straight into it. Here's all your no purchase necessary and your odds if you want to see that. Let's look at this math equation. 8 times 11 is 88, plus 52 is 140, so 136 is the math question, or the answer to the math question. Oh, come on, don't start with this. There we go. Did I cut the box? I did. Oh, that's unfortunate. Doesn't matter. As long as I don't cut the cards, that's what matters. There we go. Here are all our packs. Rafi Devers and Xander Bogaerts on the front. On the packs itself. And let's just jump into the first one. We got Joey Wendell. I'm trying to see. Yeah, that's seen. That's good. That's good. Zach McKinstry. Luis Torrens. Emmanuel Clase. Gold Cup. Petra Corbin. Joey Gallo. I wonder if that's a high number. No, I don't believe so. Joey Gallo, the Yankees. Now, of course, he's on the Dodgers. New Age Reformers, Luis Gil, rookie card. Nick Madrigal. And Dalton Varsho. Okay. Or whatever, first pack. Shohei Ohtani. Very nice. Logan Gilbert. Charlie Blackmon. Jordan Montgomery. Just seeing if there's like high numbers and stuff. Eric Haas. Mikey Stremski. G.P. Crawford. And Julio Urias. Same thing or whatever pack. Probably best card so far is the Shohei Ohtani card. DJ Stewart. There you go. TA7, Tim Anderson. Jose Siri, rookie card. Ooh, that's a nice one. Roberto Clemente. It's a very cool card to get. Roberto got his 3,000th hit in 1972. The unfortunate end to his Major League career after his 3,000th hit. He, of course, as most of y'all probably know, he died in a plane crash in the offseason after he got his 3,000th hit. Harold Ramirez. Yusei Kikuchi, now a Blue Jay. Flashbacks. NASA launches Skylab Space Station. Alex Kirilloff. And Josh Hader. Oh, I didn't even realize this. There's Xander Bogaerts and Rafi Devers. Now this is Salvador Perez. Here's Bryce Harper. The change in the design on the front cover. That's cool. Jurickson Profar, Michael Conforto, who's out this year, Bobby Bradley, Travis d'Arnaud, Stephen Piscotty, Will Myers, Jose Barrios, Tyler Naquin, now a Met, and Blake Snell. Yandy Diaz, Matt Chapman, now a Blue Jay. The batting leaders last year, Trey Turner and Billy Gurriel. Brenton Marsh, rookie card. And a terrible one, of course, now he's with the Phillies. Josh Bell, now with the Padres. You're looking at me like that for Josh. Kyle Lewis, maybe? No. Didn't know if that was a high number or not. Josiah Gray, rookie card. Nick Fortes, rookie card. And rookie pitchers for the Marlins. He is now a Blue Jay, Zach Pop, then Anthony Bender, and Zach Thompson. Put that on the rookie card file, I guess. Has there been any difference besides those three? No. Abraham Toro, I believe now with the Astros. No, he is with the Mariners. Anthony Rendon, Jonathan India, Gold Cup. Brett Gardner. Still have Brett Gardner, he retired. What? Matt Olson, now with the Braves. Max Muncy. Then now Jim Palmer to Robbie Ray. I don't know how true I think that comparison is, but whatever. David Peralta. And rookie card of Matt Vierling. We got 3 more packs. Oh, there's a different design on one. Yay, that's cool. Tommy Pham. I believe he's a Cincinnati Red now. No, he's a Red Sox. Aaron Savali. Akil Baddoo. Nathan Eovaldi. Thinking of Tommy Pham just made me realize I have to update my fantasy team for football. Andrew Benintendi. Michael Pineda. Oh, a nice little Juan Soto. Baseball Stars bubblegum. I think that's kind of cool. Brenda Belt. And Rafi Big Scoops. Rafi 2 bags. Rafi Devers. 2 more packs. Will Dillis Smith. What a name. Rafael Ortega. Gleyber Torres. Matt Barnes. Sam, look at that photo. Looking deep in your soul. Nico Horner. Jared Kelenic. Win leaders. Leo Diaz with 20 and Garrett Cole with 16. New Age performers of You Like Jazz. Martin Maldonado. And Will Smith. 2 catchers. This one's the better one. Will Smith. And the last pack has Shohei Ohtani on the front. Very nice. Luke Linwood. That's quite the name. You have Lance Lynn. Darius Sanchez. Rowdy Tellez. Wander Franco, rookie card, Gold Cup. That's a pretty good one. Mitch Moreland. I don't even know if he plays baseball anymore. Ji-Man Choi. Oh, this is an interesting one. This is backwards, so I think the fact that it is backwards, because it's 430, that means that it is a high number card? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. But Alek Manoah, I'll put that off to the side. Ryan Vilday, rookie card. And the last one, Luke Voigt of the Yankees, who's now a National. So that's it for the pack openings. I think the cool card here was an Alek Manoah, high number, possibly, as well as the rookie cards. Not a bad extra. Oh, things are just falling apart here. Okay, as well as the rookie cards. Ryan Vilde, Wander Franco. I think this is the best card of the pack. Matt Vierling, Zach Pop, and the 3-for-1 rookie card. Nick Fortes, who hasn't been bad this year at all. Josiah Gray, Brandon Marsh, Jose Siri, and Luis Gil. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was better than the last pack openings I did. And be prepared for our final pack openings video. We open up Topps 2022 Series 1. Peace.